How to install Moto Edge Plus live wallpapers on any Android device without having to root it. Hey peeps, what's up? Munchie here, back with another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can install Moto Edge Plus live wallpapers on any Android device without having to root it. All you need are the APKs which are linked in the description of this video. Now you will have three APKs linked. The first one is Google Wallpapers APK. If you are on a Pixel device, then you do not have to install this APK. All you would need to do is just press and hold on the home screen, go into Styles and Wallpapers, and then go into Live Wallpapers. And once you have installed these two APKs, you should have the option of Moto Live Wallpaper. Next up, you have two other APKs, both of which are the Moto Edge Live Wallpaper. One of them is around 3.74 MB and the other one is around 23.04 MB. I suggest that you first try the APK which is larger in size. If that one does not install, then you can try the other one. What is the difference between both of them? Well, the one which is larger in size has the live wallpaper waves coming from the left ones, and then the next time they will come from the right hand side. That is not the case with the other one. Next up, you need an application which will let you install APKs. For the purpose of this video, I am going to use Xiaomi's file manager, which is baked into my Poco F1. However, if you do not have a file manager which allows you to install APKs, you can always use FX File Explorer as well, or any other file manager of your choice. The first APK we're going to install is the Google Wallpapers APK. Select the APK and then click on install. Once that is done, we will go back and now we are going to install the Moto Edge Plus Live Wallpaper application, the file which is 23.04 MB. Once both the APKs have installed successfully, we will click on the home button, and if we open our application drawer, we will now have a wallpapers application. Open the application, allow access to storage, click on allow one more time, go into live wallpapers, bam, here it is, Moto live wallpaper in the building. Click on set wallpaper, home and lock screen both, and bam, here it is. We have the APK working like a boss on the home screen for now. Let me swipe in the other direction, and here it is, waves are towards the right. And once this stops, we can try changing the direction of the waves. There it is, they are now on the right hand side. Let us lock our device, check out the lock screen as well, and as you can see, it is not working on the lock screen for Xiaomi devices. However, it works like a boss on my Pixel 2 XL. So here it is, Pixel 2 XL in the building, and waves are on the left hand side right now. Let us lock the device, unlock it, and waves are still on the left hand side, but they do work on both sides in the home screen. Now in case you have a Xiaomi device and you want to set this video as your wallpaper on the home screen and the lock screen, you can do that using the gallery application as well. I have linked another zip file which has the video file. All you need to do is unzip the file and then you can set it as your wallpaper on the home screen and on the lock screen using the gallery application in MIUI 11. So there it is peeps, that is how you install Moto Edge Plus live wallpaper on any Android device without having to root it, and that will do it for this video. Hope my video helped you. Likes, shares and subscribes are appreciated. Feedback and comment more than welcome. See you when I see you.